Stop paying for AI tools, seriously. That's like paying someone to hold your hand while you breathe. Oxygen is free. So is a lot of AI, and here is the kicker. Some of the free tools are straight up better than the ones you were subscribing to. What if I told you the tools you're sleeping on could outperform the ones draining your wallet each month? Right now, the AI world is having its everyone's dropping an album era. Every day, there's a new tool with a name that sounds like a rejected Marvel villain. Guess what? Most are just overpriced clones wearing fancy fonts and bold claims. But today, you're getting the actual top 10 AI tools that are 100% free, absurdly useful, and good enough to make you question why you ever gave your credit card to the software in the first place. Stick around because tool number 10 is like Mid-Journey and Pixar had a baby. Hardly anyone knows about it yet, but they will. Quick thing, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the daily drop. Yep, new free videos every day, and trust me, what's coming next? You'll want to be first in line. Alright, enough talk, let's dive in. Let's be real for a second. The AI boom hit faster than your uncle's crypto crash in 2022. 1 minute you're Googling what ChatGPT is. Next minute, you've got a robot managing your calendar, editing your voice, writing your emails, and potentially filing your taxes, still pending legal review. Don't get any wild ideas. But here's the annoying twist. Every time you try something new, you get hit with the same vibe. Welcome. Please hand over your credit card before we show you anything useful. And then the free version is so limited, it makes dial-up internet look futuristic. If you're stuck in freemium jail while others are building businesses in their sleep, you're about to get out, and with VIP access. So let's cut the nonsense. I found 10 tools that are free, fully functional, and wildly underrated. No bait and switch, no upgrade to breathe. Just powerful, legit AI that saves you time, money, and let's be honest, some of your sanity. UG1 ChatGPT, free plan GPT 3.5. Look, GPT 3.5 is like that underappreciated friend who always shows up, brings snacks, and gives solid advice. Everyone's hyping up GPT-4 like it's the golden child, but GPT 3.5, still an absolute beast. Use it to draft video scripts, brainstorm niche ideas, outline a book, write emails, or even ask it to explain complex concepts like how inflation works in toddler terms. Try this prompt. Act like a 6-figure YouTube automation coach and give me 5 viral channel ideas that Dante requires showing my face. Boom! Now you've got strategy level output without spending a dime. Want to make GPT 3.5 smarter? It's all about the prompts. I'll show you a trick later that makes it feel like you hired a genius for zero. 2. Claude by Anthropic. Claude is like ChatGPT's therapist cousin. Calm, collected, and excellent at deep conversations. The best thing? Is ridiculously good at summarizing long content. Throw in a 100-page PDF or that massive work document you've been avoiding, and Claude turns it into a digestible summary that makes sense. Perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who doesn't want to read 12 pages to find 2 useful lines. Use it to summarize legal docs, business reports, or those ridiculously long Google Docs your team keeps making. Here's something wild. Claude can handle way more text than ChatGPT. Later, I'll show you how to use that for long-form YouTube scripts or course creation. 3. Notion AI, Freetail. If your brain is a chaotic filing cabinet, Notion AI is the magical assistant that organizes your life, judgment-free. It takes your scattered thoughts, messy notes, and chaotic to-do lists and transforms them into polished, usable plans. Need to write a blog post? Notion's on it. Planning a YouTube content calendar? It's basically your unpaid content manager. Take these half-baked video ideas and turn them into a 30-day upload plan with description. Boom, clarity. Wait till you see how it works with templates. I'll show you how to build an entire faceless content system in minutes with it later. 4. Canva AI, Magic Writes, Magic Design. Canva's AI tools are like having a creative agency in your pocket. Magic Write helps you with all the tech stuff. Titles, captions, bios, product descriptions, while Magic Design generates stunning visuals based on a few words. Type in Faceless YouTube channel about passive income and watch Canva design your next thumbnail like it is auditioning for Adobe's job. But that's just scratching the surface. You'll freak out when you see what it can do with branded content and A/B thumbnails, and I'll walk you through it later. 5. Perplexity AI. Perplexity is the nerdy straight A student of AI tools. Ask it anything, and it not only answers, it cites sources. Want to fact check something fast? Want a smarter alternative to Google it? This tool gives you answers with proof. Great for research, arguments, or crafting content that doesn't get flagged for false info. Compare the pros and cons of Notion AI versus ChatGPT with sources. Done! Here's the secret. Perplexity can help you train ChatGPT to be more accurate too. I'll explain how to connect them later for supercharged results. 6. Leonardo AI. Midjourney's cool, but it asks you to hang out on Discord like it's 2017. Leonardo is the no-hassle version. Free credits, sleek interface, and stunning AI-generated images. Create cover art, YouTube backgrounds, game concepts, or a hamster riding a motorcycle through the apocalypse. Want a consistent visual style across all your videos? Leonardo can do that. I'll show you how to batch create thumbnail backgrounds in just 10 minutes. 7. Descript. Descript is the future of editing. If you hate cutting video clips manually, this is your new favorite tool. You edit your video by editing the transcript. Delete a word. It deletes that part of the video. Remove all filler words, pauses, and stutters, and replace that one sentence I flubbed. Done. But wait until you see the overdub feature. Combine it with ElevenLabs, and you'll never need to re-record anything again. However, 8. ElevenLabs free AI voice generator. Tired of robotic voices that sound like your microwave timer is narrating? ElevenLabs gives you voiceover so real, they might make your mom ask who you hired. Clone your own voice or use their library. Great for YouTube, audiobooks, or turning your tweets into podcast clips. Combine this with ChatGPT and Descript, and you've got a faceless content creation pipeline. Here's something spicy. I'll show you how to use it to create an entire brand character with a unique voice and tone. 9. Crisp. Kids screaming, dogs barking. Our neighbors decided now is the time to mow. Crisp cancels it all. Real-time background noise suppression for free. 60 minutes day free plan. Runs clean calls and recordings without having to tape your mouth shut. Here's the productivity killer combo. Pair Crisp with GenCraft for video creation. You'll never look at video content creation the same ever again. And no, GenCraft AI video generator. This one is a hidden gem. GenCraft turns your text prompts into mini videos. It's still in the early stages, but it's already creating some wild, engaging animations. Animated social posts, trippy music visuals, branded intros, or just a T-Rex doing yoga on Mars. Want your content to stand out on social media? Here's the real talk. You don't need 50 tools. You need 3 to 5 good ones that actually solve problems. Most people spend hours tool hopping, hoping one of them will magically do all the work. Spoiler, they won't. You have to build a system. But how do you actually tie all of them together into a system you can run while working full-time? These tools aren't just free versions, but they're full-on productivity powerhouses disguised as freebies. Why? Because companies want your hook. So go wild while they're still giving Costco-sized samples. Don't wait until they start charging $59 a month just to export a PDF. AI isn't your competition. It's your unpaid intern with elite skills and no HR complaints. Go start a channel, build a brand, automate the boring stuff, or just make an AI-generated rap battle between Albert Einstein and a sentient toaster. If this video brought you some value, or at least made you smile, go ahead and tap that like button and subscribe. I am dropping new content daily to help you launch and grow your own faceless YouTube channel with AI, stack up that income, and just level up your life overall. Got thoughts, questions, wow success stories? Drop them in the comments. I actually read them, and I'd love to keep the conversation going. And hey, don't bounce just yet. If you want to see exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel using nothing but free tools, watch the next video on your screen. Trust me, it's the blueprint you've been waiting for that will unlock even more game-changing strategies for building your YouTube side hustle.